She's been climbing hills since she was 9, chasing love, always left behind. Taught to give more than she gets, swallow dreams and no regrets. She lit candles no one saw, built a home with paper walls. But when she breaks, she don't shout, she don't throw his picture out. No last-ditch call, no tear-soaked plea, no door slammed in misery. When her heart's done taking the fall, she just leaves with no sound at all. She loved him like a holy flame, praying he would feel the same. Stood in shadows, stood by vows, but one-sided love wears you down. She packed her life in worn-out bags, left no note, no looking back. 'Cause when she breaks, she don't shout, she don't light the silence with doubt. No whiskey rage, no crying scene, just quiet steps and gasoline. No guilt, no fight, no last curtain call. She just leaves with no sound at all. Some hearts don't shatter, they slip away like dust fading out the day. And all the pain she used to carry all turned cold like February. So when you wake and find her gone, no goodbye, no right or wrong, just know she gave it all she had to love.